Okay, in this quick video I will show you how to add a program to Windows Startup. So first of all, what you're going to do is open your View options, and then if you don't have this menu, if it's hidden, you want to go to View options, and you want to make sure that you have selected at folder options, View, show hidden files, folders and drives, and then apply it to whatever you have here. Then you want to go to your local disk, in this case it's a C disk, to your users, in my case to Fry. Then you want to open the folder app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, programs, and then startup. This is the place where Windows kind of takes the programs from to run at a startup. So if you, like me for example, have a program, let's say disable Windows key, because I don't have on my keyboard lockable sort of Windows key, I have this little program and I want to add it to startup so I don't have to manually open it all the time. I want to create shortcut. And once I created this shortcut, I simply drag and drop it into this startup folder. And what will happen is I will show you the other way you can do it. You open Task Manager, you go to Startup, and right, it's like Startup Manager. You open Startup, and here's your stuff that runs by default. But these are things that you install maybe, and there were like options to start from the to launch those programs from the very start of the Windows, right? But if the program is not here, like how do you add it? And this is exactly how you add the program. You go to the startup folder, and look what happens when I will drag and drop my shortcut for games, disable Windows key for games. It will appear right here, and then from here you can disable it or enable it, whatever you want. And if I remove the shortcut, it disappears from the startup menu. So this is the way how to do it, quick and easy, nothing scary. All you need to do is basically enable your hidden folders, navigate to these folders, put a shortcut for the app that you want to run. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it, hope it was useful, and if you enjoyed those little tips and tricks, there are a bunch more on the channel. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, share those videos around, and I'll see you next one. Take care. Thank you very much. Bye bye.